Expo mueblera now in 2017 is in its 23rd edition. So the idea was to be part of the Mexican market, because we think that this market, especially this show, can be the #1 for Mexico and the region for woodworking, wood processing, and of course furniture, appliances, and things like that. Fairs are marketplaces between business entities. And what we are doing is we are bringing together high-end machinery. We are bringing together people who manufacture high-end or with high-end materials, furniture and appliances. So what we are doing actually is a B2B marketplaces. We would like to give opportunities for companies to see innovations, to see new processes, to see new machinery, to make their business more efficient, more effective, because that's what it's all about. Every businessman, every manufacturer wants to be more profitable, and the machines shown here are the main help to be more profitable. And this is what we are bringing together. People seeking and looking for new opportunities for their business, and manufacturers who show their innovations for the region. And this is what we do for Ligna. For example, Ligna, the biggest woodworking manufacturing show in the world, and we do as well for our international shows. We are very positive about that, because we feel with this show we had a lot of increasing interest in being part of the show, and many new exhibitors came here to show their machinery, to show their experience and expertise in manufacturing high-end machinery. For example, Styles, who bring Homac on the table, who is the market leader in woodworking machinery. We brought over many new exhibitors. For example, Leuco and Lights, tool manufacturers from Germany, and they are very happy to be here, be part of this increasing industry in Mexico. Magna Expo mueblera, as we see it right now, has two main focuses. It's two very different focuses, and as we are responsible for the 2018 show as an organizer, we will give very individual attention to each of those two focuses. The one focus is woodworking show called Magna Expo mueblera Industrial, focus on woodworking, wood processing and forestry. And the other focus is Magna Expo mueblera Interiores, mainly on furniture, interior design, home appliances and floor coverings. At the end of the day, it's as simple as it is. You have mainly two big groups you need to bring together. That's our job. And that's the exhibitor who wants to meet new people, who wants to meet people who can grow their business, who are interested in their technology. And the second thing is visitors, professional visitors looking for machinery, for technology. So the most interesting thing about our job is that our product looks always different. And that's because of our main thing that moves us. It's the market. It depends on how many people buy what kind of furniture. Are they buying kitchen? Are they buying living room accessories? And this is what determines mainly how a show will go out. And that's very complicated, because sometimes it's not to be influenced by a trade show organizer. We are always bringing topics into the show that are of very much interest for the people visiting. For example, this morning our seminar started with a very interesting, very detailed presentation from an economist from Mexico, who in details analyzed the situation of what's going to happen for the next 12 months when it comes to inflation, when it comes to currency issues and things like that, because this is what moves the business right now. And actually both parties, visitors and exhibitors, are very curious about what's going to happen. We will develop it. It will be more technical for one side, then there will be design topics shown for the other side. So it will be a very good mixture, hitting all different issues and focuses of the show. And on top this year, we established a CNC application park, and there you can see different kind of level CNC machinery to develop from a small shop to a medium-sized shop up to an industrial working entity. And this is what really is a special thing about the technology part of Magna Expo Mueblera, because you can actually see and experience the machinery working live. I just passed the Felder booth, for example, and it was many people were surrounding one person explaining a very certain detail on a machine. And that's how it has to be. That's great. I mean, people are interested in the technology, being curious about details, and this is what I really like. And this works for SCM, for BSF, for Homac, for Styles as well. People are curious, and those people visiting, they're experts, they're professionals. They know their way around in the industry. They know details about the machines, and they want to talk to professionals. And this is what we can offer with the show. Here you have very large presentations of the market leaders from high sophisticated machineries, and they can explain every detail of their machine. And this is what a trade show is about, and that helps both parts of the business.